5:43. Good morning. The thing is, my routine camping is basically I go to sleep about 9:30, pitch black, and I wake up around about midnight. So I get generally about 2.5 hours sleep, but it is solid sleep. Absolutely solid sleep. And I spend from midnight onwards awake. And I'm quite happy with that. It's nice, solid sleep. It's relaxing. It was horrendous gales all night long. And yeah, I was quite happy snuggled up in here. So yeah, morning. And even though it looked quite fragile, my setup, it worked. I stayed dry. The polyplastic did a pretty good job as an extra layer against the wind. Although the wind got through no matter what. Maybe in a couple of hours I'll light a fire.